Welcome to IPL. IPL is one of the largest petroleum laboratories in the Southern Hemisphere. Established in 1999, we have grown to provide a full range of specialist testing and support services to both the upstream and downstream petroleum industries throughout New Zealand and the Southwest Pacific. Our core business is the timely delivery of high quality crude oil, fuels, biofuels, industrial and environmental laboratory analysis. Our reputation as the best at all we test is based on the knowledge, dedication and professionalism of an experienced team of some 50 staff. We take great pride in our reputation for operating to the highest standards of safety, quality and customer service. Join my team for a tour of the IPL Northland Laboratory.
Our Northland Laboratory is split into two main testing areas, the Analytical Environmental Laboratory and the Distribution Fuels Laboratory. Let's start with the Analytical Environmental area. This area uses specialist technology to identify and quantify individual compounds and elements within fuel and hydrocarbon mixtures, as well as routine water testing. Techniques such as GC, GCMS, ICP and FTIR are used for both routine and problem-solving analysis. The GCMS is a valuable troubleshooting tool for identification of unknown contaminants and is used to carry out hydrocarbon fingerprinting. Other GC applications can be used to determine boiling point distributions. The ICP can quantify over 70 elements to trace level concentrations in both aqueous and hydrocarbon samples. We have a segregated room for mercury testing, which enables us to measure ultra-trace levels of mercury in gas, liquid and solid sample types. In our environmental lab, we carry out a wide range of water testing for regulatory consent purposes and process and production water from a variety of industries. Our broad range of available techniques enables us to work closely with our customers to assist them with routine analysis, compliance requirements, problem solving and investigative work.
The expertise of the Fuels Department is in the physical and chemical testing of fuel streams and final products, including petrol, diesel, aviation fuel, fuel oil and bitumen. This is to ensure that the fuel is fit for purpose and that it meets the government regulation specifications and industry requirements. Our physical testing equipment allows us to measure the quality of the fuel you burn in your engines to see that it meets the specifications and does not cause damage or corrosion to the fuel storage systems and/or its components. We test fuel samples for a variety of customers. Our expertise and the range of fuel testing we offer can meet the requirements of customers ranging from the business next door, small and medium-sized businesses, all the way up to the national and multinational petroleum companies and government authorities. Aviation recertification testing is key for our New Zealand and South Pacific customers to ensure the jet fuel has not been contaminated during the transport from the refinery to the terminal and airport storage tanks. Some of the equipment we hold is also used for troubleshooting and investigative work. For example, the WD-XRF technology can be used to qualitatively measure metals present in unknown samples. Our microbiological contamination workstation enables us to carry out a wide range of microbiological testing, including diesel bug. We also have 3 octane engines at our disposal. In fact, IPL is the only lab in New Zealand that has both RON and MON NOx engines. This equipment is critical to testing the octane numbers of petrol. And finally, at the end of the fuels lab, we can find our crude assay equipment that helps us support the oil and gas industry and refineries. Crude assays are like little mini refineries that enable us to determine the unique characteristics of crude by physical distillation whilst retaining the cuts for further physical and chemical analysis if required. To find out more, visit our website ipl.co.nz.